Hey everyone, if your Spotify login window won't open, load, or work properly, here are a few quick fixes to solve the problem. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Start menu and type Spotify. Right-click it and select App Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Click Terminate to close the app completely. Then click Repair and wait for it to finish. If that doesn't fix it, scroll down again and click Reset. Confirm by clicking Reset again. Wait for the reset to complete and see if Spotify works now. Still not working? Let's update it. Open the Microsoft Store, and in the bottom left corner, click Library. Search for Spotify in your installed apps. If there's an update button next to it, click it. Once the update finishes, try launching Spotify again. If nothing worked so far, uninstall Spotify completely. Go to the Start menu, type Add or Remove Programs, and open it. Search for Spotify, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, return to the Microsoft Store, search for Spotify, and download it again. That's it! Your login window should now work as expected. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fix-It videos. Thanks for watching.